There you go, zoom in.
Can you wash off my face?
I am. Just this first.
Why did it smell like
Shampoo.
You didn't put shampoo on it.
I didn't.
Liz. I think you did. You put shampoo on it.
It's empty in this.
I can't hold this straight.
End it. I'll get a new one. Just gotta get the sauce. Here, this has Lydia.
That's really gross.
Lydia, end it.